Hello, I am Jody Wolf. You're watching EXPOZ on March 20, 2012 at about 2:44 a.m. Birmingham, Alabama. And topic is Doomsday Preppers, Martial Law, and EMP. And I am speaking of the electromagnetic pulse. Should it happen? Let me try to give you some more tips that will be very helpful, I promise you. If this does happen, you can expect to see a very limited use of the World Wide Web, the internet, and an 85% chance your communications with any person or persons would be slim to none. It would be good to be in touch with people that are tied to, such as the Patriots, the Oath Keepers, or the Minutemen. There's many groups out there that are being prepared and getting prepared for things just like this. And you will see people like the Minutemen go on a high level of readiness. And it'd be good if you knew someone that you could know when this happened, you would know where to go. And that's what I kind of want to get across to you. If you can, it'd be a good idea to acquire some sort of a two-way or shortwave radio. Just giving some ideas where you can find safety in the real Patriots of America. And again, you may want to know someone in advance, meaning before it happened, where you can have a place of safety to retreat to. The actual EMP, what it is, it'd be something like a direct lightning hit on your home and travels through the wiring. Everything plugged up to that wiring gets cooked. Basically what it is, it's a huge surge. We're talking about your refrigerator and your air conditioner in your house. And microwaves probably survive because of what they're made of. Not all cars will be disabled, but most places to buy fuel would be. And again, your car, if it can run, someone will take it from you, leaving you either walking or dead. EMP protection, something like tinfoil would be great. Tinfoil. If you can take a cardboard box big enough and wrap it with foil and park your car in it, that would be good protection against an EMP. And there are blankets that you see that rescue teams use these things for hypothermia and for people that are in trouble. You see them wrap them up, and these blankets would have the type of protection. Anything that you want to make, say a shoebox, and wrap it up with foil, inside, if you want to put your telephone or iPhone, wrap it too in cloth, because you don't want that phone touching the metal, not in any way. And again, for your car, if you can find some way to get it under a protective metal covering where it doesn't touch that metal, would give you a step up. Also keep in mind that you might not be able to get, again, fuel unless you have, like I said on a previous blog, a powerful hand pump. And as far as how long will they be down, I don't know. But again, all your electronics, even the cell phone towers, TV, radio, they're gone. Get a book, How to Survive the Wilderness. Go on the internet. See what you can do to protect some of your communications, property, computer, phone, car, motorcycle, things of that nature, even in the house, what you can do. There are things out there that you can do and measures you can take, hopefully that will salvage some of these things. Again, your home, you may have to go online now and see what it would take to build a small wood-burning stove/heater. If you can't afford one, make it. The instructions, again, would be online, and the main box of these things are made of simply a brick. And they're brick laden on the inside. A nuclear attack would be, forget all the above. A shelter can help you if you have an underground bunker a little while against deadly radiation, but it will linger for years unless you're 500 miles away from it when it happens, and if the wind's not blowing in your direction. So, there's a gentleman out there named, is called 1 Second After, and is William Forsham, Forstchen. He's got a book on it, a tell-all, do it all, and help you to try to get through stuff like this. But again, a lot of people expect this to happen, and of course it would happen from somebody like Iran. If it was a EMP that went off on the ground surface, then you being a few miles away probably wouldn't hurt you. It would have to be above you in order for it to really get you. And placed properly in the right place and strong enough, the entire United States, half of Mexico, half of Canada would be fried. But anyway, I just want to tell you what could be coming. My opinion, my dead-on opinion, I believe two things are going to happen before December 21st, 2012. One, a tremendous, horrible disaster in this country. Maybe a natural, and it may be sent over from our neighbors. And number two, I fully expect martial law to be called. I'm going to call it again like I did the other night and say by October this year. I hope I'm wrong. And I hope these give you some tips, some help. And again, Oath Keepers, Patriots, Minutemen, there are many, many groups, and they will be on extreme high level of readiness. Get in touch with someone. Jody Wolf, EXPOZ.